How to fix this app is not available in your country or the region on iPhone. So in this case, what you want to do is, first of all, head over to your app store. So if you move into one of the applications that you want to install, but it lands you on the interface where it says that it's not available in your country or the region. For that, you have to change the country or the region of your device. In order to do so, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Head over to My Account at the very top. Wait for a while for it to load. It will land you on this page. Now, the option of country or region will be visible to you. Click on it. Now once again click on Change Country or Region. Tons of different country or the region will be visible to you. All of this country, you have to select the country that allows you to download the application that you want to. So let me choose Germany for now. Click on it. Now tap on Agree at the top right corner of the screen. It will land you on this interface. In here, you have to fill up some of the information about your card. If you don't have the card, then you can set the settings to none. Now fill up all the information that has been asked. Once done, tap on Next at the top right corner of the screen. After that, the country will be changed successfully. After that, you can search for the application that you want to install. You will definitely find the app, and you will also be able to install it, and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix this app is not available in your country or the region on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.